What's going on, everybody? Here I have a 2001 Pontiac Bonneville 4-door brown. This is going to be an in-depth tour of the car. Show the engine, show some of the features on the car. Start up. Well, without further ado, let's see what happens. $91,336 miles. This is one of the vehicles I was going to do an in-depth tour of last Monday, but apparently I didn't have enough battery power in my camera. Hopefully this one stays so I can do the in-depth tour of this car. Check gauges light on. Automatic driver's window and passenger's window. Okay, we're going to go ahead and cut the lights on. The hazard. This one's also got the 3800 Series 2 V6. The lights looking good. Very nice car. Well, this is our in-depth tour of the 2001 Pontiac Bonneville 4-door brown. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.